Our soft open-close mechanism is easy and quick to install. Follow along once you've completely installed your barn door. Here we're starting on the left side. First, install the mechanism by securing the clamp to the track by tightening the 4 Allen screws, 2 on each clamp. Next, we install the actuator to the top of the door. Using the 2 provided screws, install the actuator to the top of the door using the closest hole pattern provided in the door top. If needed, adjust the mechanism left or right on the track for the perfect engagement with the actuator. To ensure maximum contact with the soft close mechanism, raise or lower the actuator with the provided Allen wrench. You want the actuator as high as it can go to properly engage the mechanism during operation. If the actuator is adjusted all the way up and still not engaging the mechanism, a spacer or 2 may need to be added. Simply snap the spacer underneath the actuator, adjust accordingly, and screw onto the top of the door. Repeat this on the right side, and your soft open-close installation is now complete. Find more support and instructions at theglassbarndoor.com.